Good morning, good morning. So what do we got going on this morning? We got ISM manufacturing PMI, 10 a.m. FOMC member Barkin speaks at 11. So that's pretty much it. InvestStars, what's going on, man? How you doing today? Made any trades today? Yeah, it's Friday, so gonna be careful. Short gold. Yeah, I've been looking at gold on the overnights. You get some pretty nice trends with gold, that's for sure. Some nice trendy moves. I want to get better at trading gold. So yesterday we took a loss on the Take Profit Pro account. I ended up getting back some of it yesterday after the stream, and then took a little scalp this morning with just a little scalp, $68 or so. $70. I'm trying to Trying to be careful with this account. I like to get those daily payouts, you know, when they come, or even a weekly payout or whatever, every 2 days. Oh, that sucks, Investars. I wonder. You know, I had something really weird happen to me with Take Profit Trader with Tradeovate once. And I have no idea what happened. It was strange. I swear, I wasn't watching it. I swear it reversed my position. But I'm assuming I left orders on. I'm just gonna assume that, but I have no idea. That happened a couple weeks ago. So nice pump here before the market opens. So we do have news at 10 a.m. Well, I'm probably just gonna not really looking for much. I don't really have a bias when I come into the market. I really try not to think about what happened the overnight or anything like that. I just kind of like wait for something to come to me. So I don't really have any bias, but yesterday afternoon, see, I wasn't watching yesterday afternoon. We had that big dump and we took all that back, and we just took it back here. So all these single prints right here, we just swept it. So that's interesting. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't. If I come into the market and I'm thinking, well, I'm going to be bullish or I'm going to be bearish, then it can really affect like my trades where, you know, I'm thinking, oh, it's going to be bullish today, and then, you know, I'm trying to fade the short or something like that, you know. So I really just try to use my own intuition and just kind of watch the market and see what it's gonna do. Does that make sense? That's just my style. I don't like to come in thinking, oh, bullish or bearish or anything like that. You know, if I was watching earlier, I would have said, well, this noontime dump, which I don't even know what it was from. It was probably from nothing. I would have said, well, we're probably going to take and fill these gaps, which we did. But yeah, yesterday I was doing brake lines on my car. So yesterday afternoon, so I didn't get home until later in the evening. So I didn't catch any of this. So we're rallying here. So I got this new happy light, and it's super bright. I don't know if I like it. I think I might have to. It's supposed to mimic sunlight. Oh, it's blinding me. I don't know where to set it. I don't have any place to set it to not blind me. What about you, Investars? You looking for anything today? You looking? Do you have any bias today? I'm kind of thinking, you know, it could be low liquidity, and whatever direction it picks, it could be one of those slow Friday grind days. after the initial move. But then again, we do have 10 a.m. news, so we'll see what it does before the news. Right now we're pushing higher. We're ripping higher. It's a good 80-point candle. Yeah, I agree with you, investors. Probably after the 10 a.m. news, it'll probably, that could have an effect. But then after that, we'll see what it does. It could. Yeah, the 4-hour candle. Yep. Yeah, so you play off the higher time frames. Josh, what's going on, man? Not much. Friday. Trying not to blow up any accounts. Did you make any trades last night? Josh has been crushing the market. Yeah, and I got a lot of stuff to do today. I had a shingle blow off my roof last night. And I've been doing brake lines on my car. So a lot of stuff on my mind. Nice. Yeah, that's awesome. So I only made one little trade this morning just on the Take Profit Pro, just for a little 70-point scalp. We were down about $100 yesterday because I'm over that buffer. So we were down about $100 yesterday, and I got back that, and then $68. But it's the only trade that I made so far. I'm really trying to switch to micros. I'm trying not to go through so many accounts. Especially with these 25Ks, these PAs. These 25K can blow really quick with a mini if you get caught in the wrong trade. TCG, Husk, what's going on, guys? Husk, you streaming today? I just saw your message. Oh, I hope she's all right, Husk. Yeah, I hope she's all right, Husk. Yeah, it's the worst when you have a loved one that's sick and has to go to the doctors, the hospital. I know I've been dealing with that a lot lately. So yeah, on these Apex accounts, I'm gonna trade 2 micros, Josh, and I'm just gonna that's gonna be my thing. 2 micros, 25K accounts, lifetime fees. I have no rush. I have plenty of other funded accounts, but for these Apex, 2 micros. I'm gonna say 1 to 3 trades a day, but we'll see. So Josh, I do have these pivot points pulled up on my chart. On my 15-minute, I've been watching them because of you and Cube. I haven't quite learned them at all, but I do have it pulled up. I've just been observing them. Yeah, same, Haas. So I got a 30-point stop, which, well, it's a big stop, but I got a 60-point take profit. So Also, I appreciate everyone that used my Apex code yesterday. I should be able to request my personalized code now, which is pretty awesome. So I appreciate that, guys. That's pretty awesome. I don't have to have that, whatever it is, 8-digit alphabetical whatever code. So I think I have to email Apex and then see if I can get a custom code. I think it's $100 in sales, Josh. Or $100 in commissions, not sales. So the 90% off, you know, that really helps, and people used my code a lot yesterday, which is really cool because, you know, it's hard to promote your code when it's WXZDM or whatever. So yeah, it was awesome. Really pushing. So we're pretty parabolic right now. This is not stuff that I personally trade, you know, unless I'm like trading an evaluation or something, and then I would just hit the buy button and let it rip. But yeah, with the funded accounts, this is not something that I generally like to trade when it's parabolic like this. Personally, you know, some people can crush this type of stuff, but we do have news in 20 minutes too. So where I'm gonna try to go for a bigger move, 60 points or so, I'm gonna try to hold out for a little while longer, but we'll see. ES is pushing as well. Dow is really rallying. Wow, Dow's really pushing. Dow's up almost, well, over 200 points on that push, Dow. Yeah, it seems, yeah, just close your eyes, point, click, and pray, right? For the buy. Curious how this candle closes. I would hate to try to fade this move, but because we know that NASDAQ likes to keep pushing it even after the open, especially on Fridays. It can really pick a direction and just go with it all day. Boy, everything's rallying. NQ, ES, oil, Dow. Even gold had a pump to start, but gold looks bearish to me. I lost power yesterday for, I don't know, most of the afternoon. That was the other thing. It's been so windy. It's windy right now. I'm hoping I don't lose power today. I gotta make sure I have my stop losses in place. That's for sure. Yesterday down the road, the power lines caught a tree on fire, and the tree was blazing. So we got a new 15-minute opening up here in about 30 seconds. Yeah, you're waiting for the new 4-hour InvestStars, yeah. So is that your strat, InvestStars? You try to fade or the 4-hour, or just... I think I've asked you before, but I forgot. What a rip. So much for that afternoon dump yesterday, huh? Took all that back and then some. And you kind of expected this was just low liquidity dumpage here. Yep. All right, InvestStars, yeah. So I'm just sitting on my hands right now. So yeah, Josh, it's pretty sweet that you're starting the year with some nice payouts. That's awesome, man. So still just parabolic here. Hopefully we get a little back and forth action. Starting to pull back some here. a little wick test going on. Would have been good for a nice 10-point scalp. Now we're really coming back. Yeah, that's too bearish for me to try to buy this dip. We're eating back that candle. Oh, that really sucks. I gotta climb up on my roof later. It's freezing out too. I don't know, a piece of a shingle blew off. It's laying in my driveway. I'm not rich enough to call someone yet. Hopefully I'll be rich enough someday to just call people for that stuff. Big pump up, big drop down, news in 10 minutes. I think it's best that I kind of just sit on my hands for now. Unless I was looking for like a, little 10-point scalp or something, but we'll see. I wish I was better at scalping the 1 minute. I'm sure a methodical man's already made his couple hundred. Maybe I'll switch to base hits today, I don't know. Whew. These are some big moves, guys. Especially on the 5 minute. It's a little... I'd like to try to look for some cheap longs or shorts, and then nothing's cheap to me right now. Wonder who else is trading today. Streamers. Liquidated's trading. So Liquidated's been popping on my stream. Oh, Danny Trades is trading. The Wild Man. Hey D, what's going on? Making any trades, D? Oh, you copy trading Danny? Yeah, I figured you were. That's cool. Oh, nice. How'd you do on your funded accounts? Oh, cool. Yeah. Yeah, it's a little scary to try to copy trade someone on a funded account, that's for sure. I've been down that road before trying to copy trade people, and in the end, it doesn't work out, that's for sure. It's tough. Some days it's really good, some days it can be really bad. But when I first started, I definitely was doing that. I bought signal services. I've tried it all. But yeah, he likes to sling around some contracts, that's for sure. I watched him a little bit last night. He was on there and I think he was drinking a bottle of wine, and I don't know. He's a wild man. Five minutes until news, 10 a.m. It's a red folder news, so. Yeah, I'm kind of waiting to see what happens after the news, D. Made a little trade on the Take Profit Pro account. Got it back to plus. We took that loss in the MYM yesterday. That $100 loss, and I got it back up to above the buffer and plus $68. Nothing major, but I'm playing it safe for that account. Trying to anyway, because I take those daily payouts, so. I'm not really sure the minimum payout I can take on it. I know it has to be more. I think it's like 52,100 something before you can actually get a payout, but I'm not sure. Because we took that small payout the other day for 400 something bucks, but I was up because they take a percentage, 80% every time. So I was up 500 something. So yeah, they take a pretty good cut, but whatever. You can't beat that daily payout. Wow. Yeah, Dow playing some games this morning. 200 point move here, 200 plus point move down. We got news in 2 minutes. So do you understand Danny Trade's do you understand Danny Trade's strategy, or are you just blindly following him? I'm just curious. I don't even know what his strategy is or what. "30 seconds, we got news. About ready to pop. You can see the volatility starting to pick up here. Starting to do the shimmy and the shake. Oh yeah, no, yeah. Oh, that's cool. I'm just saying, it's like, I don't know, does he have videos on his strategy, or I don't really know. I think I subscribed to him last night because people in the Discord. There's the news. Got the pop and drop. Also, a new 4-hour just came out. Kind of want a long. But I don't know, we'll see. We'll wait till this news settles down. ES is starting to push down as well. Oof. That's a nasty candle. So one thing about streaming and trading, it's like definitely making me more patient, and I think that's a positive thing. Not very entertaining, but oops. Mm. We just flip a coin here. That's what it feels like. I mean, it's pretty evident the overall trend is bullish right now, but for the day. All right, so it looks like that Nasdaq wants to try to break the highs here. ES is pushing up towards the highs. All right, let's see here. I mean, hopefully it's not one of those Friday grind up days. I mean, if that's the case, I mean, we should be able to identify it here pretty soon, and then try to play off that. I definitely trade better when it's more rotational. When you get to more of the back and forth action, which we seem to be getting here now, but I'm not getting any cheap trades. Hey, Liquidated, I saw you live this morning. Good morning. Hey, Liquidated, I tried to use your Apex code last night and it wouldn't work. I used your link, but I couldn't seem to get the code to work. All right, Dean. I'm glad you made some money today. I'm hoping to make some money here soon. Being patient. Take it easy, man. Have a good weekend. Oh, it was. See, I was putting in the wrong one. I don't know, for some reason I was looking at your links and yeah, I used the wrong one. I'll show you what I was looking at. That's my bad. I guess it's probably fine. thought it was this liquidated. I thought it was this. My bad. I did use your link, so maybe you got some credit for it. I don't know. Oh, okay, cool. That's sweet. You got a Take Profit Trader account. They keep denying me. I don't understand why they keep denying me. Oh boy, what's happening? Yeah, so I should be able to request a custom code from Apex right now. I think I got over the threshold to request a code. So I appreciate everyone that used my code. That's pretty awesome. You liquidated, yeah, I appreciate that. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, and when I re-up some, I'll definitely use yours. Ace. These stops are going to be big if I... Oh, cool. Thanks. I really appreciate it, Liquidated. That's awesome. Yeah, I saw it this morning, and I'm like, I got an email from Apex, about the affiliate code thing, and I was like, oh, sweet. So I think I should be able to submit my custom code now. Market's pulling back. That would have been a nice short there. I was really thinking about it. I had my mouse on the sell button, but I didn't pull the trigger. It's just, definitely counter trend, but just before the news, we've definitely been chopping back and forth, which is okay. Something I like. I like some back and forth action. Oh, okay. Yeah. I'll re-up some. Do you have a Bulanox code? Bulanox running 91% off. It's extended until the 6th. Bulanox. If anyone signs up for Bulanox, I recommend not going anything larger than a 50K because the activation fee will be pretty expensive if it's larger than a 50K. So Bulanox extended their 91% off on the option 1, 50Ks and above. So I just recommend the 50K till January 19th. And You can use code PINE if anyone uses Bulanox. I have 3 master accounts from Bulanox. Never had a problem with a payout. Just don't copy trade Bulanox with other accounts or other prop accounts. It's against their rules now, which is ridiculous, but yeah, Methodical Man's the one that turned me on to Bulanox. He likes them a lot. But yeah, they're definitely cheap evaluations, just like but their activation fees are a little higher. It's like $140, I think, for a 50K. Owlboy, you know, I really don't know. I would think you could, but I'm not 100% sure, so I don't know. I was kind of wondering that same thing. I mean, it would be dumb if you couldn't. I don't really understand why they're doing that anyway. I mean, what's that, Owlboy? What's your... Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty strange. I'll be curious to see if other prop firms come out with the same rule. Oh, nice, liquidated. So definitely pulling back here. Back to the 9:30 open candle. I'm testing the VWAP here on the NASDAQ. I feel like I missed my trade again. Right here. I was talking to D last night and privately, and I was talking how it's funny, like when you're streaming live and trading, it's like almost when I take a trade, or it's like I have that anxiety again about taking the trade, which is something I do not have at all when I'm trading off stream. But yeah, and I know it's gonna get better with reps and just doing it over and over and over again. But oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, oh boy. So yeah, I mean, it's interesting. I mean, the prop game is definitely changing, and it might be a little safer for us traders, but it won't be in our benefit. You know, hopefully we can avoid getting rug pulled by companies like Fast Track Trading and Profit Trade and Flexi Trade, but I definitely see changes coming. I felt like in the last year, you know, we've really been in that golden age of prop firm trading, especially, you know, since I've started. 2021, it was, you know, you didn't have many options, and they were super expensive for like Top Step and stuff. Well, I mean, my fund of futures is pretty expensive now. It's getting pricier, so. But us as consumers, you know, we just need to, if we stop buying their accounts, then they're going to lower the prices. But if we keep buying their accounts, then they're going to keep raising the prices. And I mean, they are a business, I get it, so. So if any of you guys follow my strategies, you know, this was a beautiful strategy right here. This Harambe candle for the short. I was a little hesitant because the stop, like, I would have liked to have placed it way up here. It's pretty massive. Something that I need to perhaps do a little back testing over the weekend and just see how it works out with the larger stops. I mean, even a 30-point stop is pretty large, but this was pretty big. 7, yeah, 40-something points, probably 40 points. I'm horrible at math, guys. We're really coming down here, testing the lows. We're pushing that initial balance lower. Spreading that range out. A pretty nice range, about a little under about 180 points. No. Yeah. Have you ever watched the streamer Future Scalpers Pro? How he plays the prop firm game? No, I've never heard of him. Future Streamers Pro. Or Streamer Futures Scalpers Pro. On YouTube? Future Scalpers Pro. Still watching the charts, guys. I just... Oh, I was just typing on my laptop and looking... Not typing on my desktop. So ES is putting in, as of right now, like 2 massive doji candles on a 30-minute, which is, you know, could be pretty choppy for ES. See if NASDAQ wants to do here, with the initial balance being set here in a few minutes, about 6 minutes or so. Wow. What a bounce here. Up from 261. In the last 2 days, volatility has been quite wild. I'm glad I sized down to micros. Yesterday would have really hurt on that Dow trade. Wow, what a bounce. I'm going to take a stab long here. $30-point stop. Could just get completely faked out. But if we get continuation to the downside, then we're going to be wrecked. Ideally, I would like to place my stop way down here. But I can't do it. So go a little wider. Just a touch. But just 2 micros. So, you know. There's 10 points. Nice little pop. I'm really looking for more. I'm looking for more of a rotation up. So I'm going to go for a bigger move. I really would like it to just go quicker. It's not the reaction I want to see. I would like to see a nice strong close above this candle here on this 5-minute. But we do have the bottom of the hour coming up, which I don't love. So hopefully we get a nice push here before the bottom of the hour. This would have been a nice scalp. I mean, I'm in a trade right now, boy. We are long NASDAQ. Currently up 50 ticks, but I'm looking for a bigger move, but I don't like that the top of the bottom of the hour is coming up. I don't want to be patient. Yesterday I felt like I took profits too early, so yeah, we're gonna get wrecked on this candle. Shit. We get lucky. This is why I'd like to place my stop down here, but I mean, I just can't. That's just way too wide of a stop. Oh yeah, liquidated, yeah. Yeah, some streamers, they don't like what they call poaching, but I don't care. Oh yeah. You can put people on timeout. Yeah, you just go to your... I don't really know how to do it. Hopefully I won't have to put people on timeout, but I'm sure there'll be a day where you get bots and stuff and you have to ban people, but... So far we got a little lucky with that stop out. Hopefully it just continues higher. Yeah, I'm looking for a good move. I'm looking for, you know, a good 60 points or so. But we'll see. Sorry, I'm not saying much, guys. I'm just focusing on this trade here. There we go. There's a nice push there. See if we can get some continuation. Nice push. Might take it off. No, I'm not gonna. I think we could sweep this. I could absolutely get wrecked. Stops at break even. Risk-free trade here. And take a rate off. 88 bucks. Something like 100 and something ticks. So not too bad. We were patient. We waited and waited and waited. We still could sweep this here and get into this gap. Intraday drawdown. Apex. I really couldn't afford to take it, take the drawdown, especially on 25K accounts, but we had a nice trade up here, or this would have been a nice trade here with the Harambe candle. Would have been a little bit cheaper. We took it down. This is technically another Harambe candle that we took the long off from, and we were looking for this high to be broken, and it looks like we're gonna take it here. So once again, in hindsight, it would have hit our take profit fully, but still a nice little trade for micros. So yeah, I think it was 82 bucks total, but 2 micros, it's a pretty good trade. And now we filled that gap here. That's what I was targeting initially. Need to get a little more patient. I'm actually really proud of myself. I'm just talking through my thoughts here, but I'm proud of myself for being patient for the setup this morning. I need to be more patient with the follow through. So, something to think about over the weekend. Thank you, Investors. Yeah, I was happy about that. Let me get caught up on the chat here. Oh yeah, Alboy, yeah, he didn't like that. Yeah, I like Nutty Bars. I think he's cool. Figured if I was streaming and trying to get them in my channel and poaching it would be, but I finished my stream already. Oh yeah. Yeah, I liquidated some streamers. You'll find real quick on which streamers will support you in your new channel and the ones that won't. I can tell you that right now. Methodical Man, Husk. For bigger streamers, I guess, or medium to small streamers, they're super supportive of other streamers, especially guys just trying to get their foot in the door. Yeah, and you have some other streamers that are not so friendly. Yeah, some guys will just flat out tell you, And one thing like one thing that a lot of streamers hate is like, you know, especially when you promote your code, they hate that. They freak out over that. But yeah. So yeah, I'm really happy with that trade for the most part. So yeah, that was a nice little trade. I'm just kind of being patient here, waiting to see if something else sets up. I like to, with Apex, I really want to keep it to 1 or 3 trades a day. And chances are, like, if I get a good trade in like that, then I'm probably going to be done on the Apex accounts. And also, I'm really trying to make an effort to record or stream when I trade Apex. So that way if they say, well, you had improper risk management, then then I have video proof. But I'm not too worried about it. I'm going to trade the way I trade and hopefully get those accounts built up over time and request a payout. Yeah, Jay is the man. Jay is the man. Yeah, Jay's funny. That dude cracks me up. Like, I use so many of his sayings in my head now. Like on that trade right there, like literally I could hear Jay's voice going, keep going, keep going. Please, please keep going. Dude's hilarious. But he's not everyone's cup of tea, that's for sure. Yeah, he's funny. See what the Dow is doing. Looks like the Dow put in that kind of same pattern. Been a nice little long here. Kind of filled that little gap. We're up $70 on this Take Profit Pro account for the daily payouts. I'd like to, it'd be nice to make a little more. So if I could find something and kind of go for it, we could risk the daily, some of the $70, but I'm willing to take that risk. I mean, scared money don't make money. But yeah, Methodical Man is super supportive of small streamers. I mean, he will promote them. He puts them on his stream. He likes to do the dual streams. Husk Williams, which is Methodical Man's, he has a channel, Husk Williams. He's Methodical Man's cousin. You could tell, like, they're just super nice guys. And Husk, he was on the chat earlier. He's always super supportive. And I actually have the same camera as him and everything. Like, he really helped me out get started. One of my biggest influences was trading with Travis as far as starting a stream, because when I wanted to start the stream, I thought I didn't want to go on camera. I mean, I'm kind of a shy guy. I'm pretty introverted, I guess, if I want to say that. And trading with Travis, I watched him for years, and all he had was the microphone, and this guy has, at the time had 10,000 plus subscribers, and he's a really good trader. And I was just like, I'm like, yeah, well, maybe I'll do that. I'll just have a microphone. I won't have a camera, and we'll try that. And then as soon as I like wake up and said, I'm gonna start my YouTube channel today, Trading with Travis bought a webcam and went on webcam. I was like, what the heck? Yeah, it was kind of funny. It's like he was listening to my thoughts or something. But yeah, some of my favorite streamers: 0 Day J, Cove Trader. I like Cove Trader. I think he's a cool guy. Methodical Man. I do like Nutty Bar. I do like Alpine. Hosk Williams. Those are my top guys, I guess. So when I'm at the gym or driving around or whatever, I'm listening to one of those guys, usually. Occasionally I'll listen to Tom Hugard when he's live streaming. I like when he's talking about, when he's giving lectures and not so much trying to copy his trading, but yeah. Yeah, Bye Bye Money, yeah, I used to watch him, and then he disappeared for a while. I don't know. Yeah, Trading with Travis I've been watching for years. Oh boy, yeah, Nutty and Jay are definitely the opposite. For sure, 100% opposite. Which is, I mean, it's unfortunate, whatever, Nutty, whatever, had that whole with his name, the DCA gang and stuff was ganging up on him a little bit, but whatever. It was all in good fun, and he didn't take the joke kindly, which whatever. But yeah, definitely opposites. I felt like Nutty was channeling his degenerate style, degenerate inner voice, I guess, when he was hanging out on the 0 Day J's chat. See, I know Trading with Travis and Methodical Man, I know they're degenerates, so deep inside they are. I know Methodical Man likes to do some gambling on sports and stuff, so, which I do too. I'm a degenerate gambler. A little bit. I like to just play around with the sports gambling. Not too much though. Ever since I started trading prop firms and day trading especially, it's like the sports gambling doesn't appeal as much to me. And I used to play a lot of poker as well, and it just doesn't appeal to me. I gamble every day, in a sense. I mean, it depends on your definition of gambling, but yeah. I mean, my definition is I'm risking my own money to try to make money. It's essentially a gamble. And when I was buying houses to flip and to fix them up, to me that was a gamble. I'm buying these piece of shit houses that no one wanted, and then I would put my blood, sweat, and tears in them and fix them up into really nice houses. And but it was all a gamble. I mean, I had people telling me, "Why are you doing this? Why are you doing that?" Well, now I can sit here and trade full time because I invested in those junk houses. Listen to Top Stuff's TV when they're listening to a bunch of BS. Yeah, I like Top Step, the prop firm, but the TV part, I like some of their segments are pretty good. I like when they have their psychology type people on there, but yeah, as far as the Top Step TV trading thing, you got too many different minds in there trying to, I think that's what it is. You got too many different traders trying to trade at the same time. And it's like, you know, it's like me trading here. It's like all you guys in the chat are trading completely different strategies and trading completely different. You might even be, I mean, some of you in here might be trading gold or ES or whatever. I mean, and I think when you have all those different traders on the Top Step TV, they just kind of clash. And yeah. Too many cooks spoil the broth. That saying, you know. So what are we doing here? We're just chopping around in the middle of the range. I don't love it. So we could risk some on this. Wow, that was quick. I'm gonna try a short here. Forgot I had the NQ chart up. Ooh, bad entry. That was a really bad entry. So we're risking a little bit on the Take Profit Pro account, but my entry should have been right where it is now. Ooh, a little ugly. I was looking at the NQ chart, and then of course I'm trading MNQ. Might. This is going against me pretty quickly. I might scalp this if this goes in our favor, because I really don't like my entry. It was really ugly. I'm about 10 points from where I wanted to be. But that's alright. I'm actually short Owlboy. I think that's what you meant. we get continuation down, then I like my stop. Oh yeah, exactly, yeah. But yeah, for sure, Owlboy. I mean, everyone. I mean, that's what makes the market. You know, people are long and short, right? I really don't like my entry, but I'm gonna get out there for break-even trade. I really didn't like my entry. I wanted it to be up here, and the entry was down here, because I really wanted to try to place my stop up here. Um, so it went in our favor some, and it still could, but I just didn't love it where my entry was. J Money, what's happening? What's going on? Oh, exactly. Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah. No, I don't follow anyone's trades. That's for sure. It's Trading Star. What's happening, man? How you doing today? If anyone, it's Trading Star has a channel too on YouTube. He's just starting out. J Money, you make any money today? We're up small on the Profit Pro account. We just squashed a trade that I was in. Yeah, me too. I'm taking trading micros. Taking them slow. We took a nice 100-something tick trade earlier on the Apex accounts. We went long here. Had a nice play. If you're just tuning in. Yeah, no problem, Trading Star. So it's right where my original entry, I wanted it to be. I don't know for sure. Now I don't love it. So in hindsight, if it comes out and takes this out, then that'll make me happy. So then I know. But it's not really following my rules. Wonder if I start getting into that. Yeah, we're starting to get that 11 o'clock here. Some of that chop. Yeah, for the most part, I only look at the 5-minute Trading Star, yeah. Yep. On TickTick, yeah, J Money. I've never got an account with TickTick. Not yet. Oh, Apex, yeah. So my very first payout ever was with Apex, and I haven't traded with them since July. I don't know, whenever they started making people take videos of themselves, and I'm like, I'm not doing that. And I just stopped. Nope, I have no take profit evaluations going right now, Trading Star. The only evaluation I got going is that I actually kind of forgot. I have one of those Apex. Let's see if I can pull it up. Static accounts that I'm working on, just because it was what, $14. Your first payout was with Top Step? That's awesome. Today's profit, $65 here, and then $83 across the 5 PAs. So nothing huge liquidated, nothing huge. If I wanted to total them all up and then put it in my thumbnail for all my, it wouldn't be a bad day. Which, yeah, I made the decision I'm not going to do that. Because to me, it's not real money until it's actually in my bank account. So I like when people put 20 accounts up and then they make, $200 on each account. And they go, I made $4,000 today. Well, no, you didn't. But I will say, like, if I make personal account money, which I didn't take any trades on the personal account. Yesterday I made $850 on the personal account. To me, like, I have to see a really nice setup to take it on the personal account, and I'm just trying to pull up my. I don't generally trade Apex on. Why is that not working? Sorry, guys. What the heck is going on? I don't trade Apex on Tradeovate generally, and for some reason I can't seem to. Oh, there we go. So I used to have one of these static accounts back in the day, and I made a gold trade last night on it for $412. It's one of those things where I've passed these static accounts challenges before, and I never get a payout on them. But if you can get a good start with it when it's funded, and then build up that static, the trailing drawdown, because it's static, if you can just build up that drawdown, then it can work pretty well. But yeah, so I've been playing around with this evaluation a little bit for Apex. 350 evaluations from Apex. So back when they changed it to 1-day pass and stuff, it's like full transparency. What I do, especially with 25K accounts, is I hedge them at open. I send one long and one short. That's how I pass 25K accounts when they run like a 90% off sale. I don't mess around with trying to pass them the right way, to be honest with you. You know, when they're 13, 15 bucks, I send them. I don't recommend anyone else do that. I'm just saying that's what I do. So when are you gonna play the guitar for us? Trading Star, yeah. I'm horrible at guitar. I could play cowboy chords, that's about it. To be honest, I haven't, since I started my channel and been working on content and I haven't been playing much at all. It's kind of a shame. But yeah, I'll have to warm up my fingers. It probably sound like crap if I played it on the microphone, I don't know. But yeah, I got a few guitars. I actually sold 2 of them. I got that one there, and then I got an electric out there, and I have a bass guitar that I just bought. I've been playing with that a little bit. I need to be, I was saying that the other day, is like I need to be playing more guitar. So I'm really happy with in hindsight here. I'm happy I stopped myself out there. The trade did not go as planned. It was a nice scalp, but I was really trying to look for a test of the VWAP on the short. It was, it would have been a good, nice little scalp. I don't know why my hotkeys are not working good. Nice little 20-point scalp off that. And I learned this from Jay Money. I wonder if he's still listening. The Harambe candles. But this inside bar here, it was a nice little 20-point scalp there, but I didn't take it. I mean, I took it, but I was looking at the NQ chart, and I got in late, and I really didn't like where my entry was. It was way down here, like 10 points where it should have been, and I ended up getting out for break even ish. We lost a little bit. We lost $5 on that trade. But yeah, if you guys don't mind smashing the like button for me, it really helps out the channel a lot. I don't promote it too much, but like, it's crazy what the like button does to the YouTube algorithms. Because I'll post a short video, and if it gets likes, it's like I get hundreds and hundreds of views just from the like button. But yeah, we made 2 trades today. One break even, one nice scalp this morning on the Apex accounts. So I think I'm gonna call it pretty soon. I got a few things I gotta do. I have to finish doing the brake lines on my car, and I also had a shingle blow off my roof last night in this windstorm. So it's like I gotta play carpenter today. I gotta play YouTuber, day trader, and mechanic today. So there's a lot going on. And I haven't even said hi to my girlfriend since she's been out of bed. And she's downstairs. I'm sure she misses me. I doubt it, but I'm sure she does. But yeah, I appreciate all of you. Have an awesome weekend. And stay safe the rest of the day. I'm going to play it cool. I got a bunch of errands I got to do, like I said. So I'll talk to you all later. And yeah.